Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SageMaker Processing jobs for data cleaning step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SageMaker service in your console. In the SageMaker dashboard, click on Processing in the left-hand menu. Next, select Create Processing Job to initiate the job setup. Provide your processing job a meaningful name in the name field. Choose the IAM role that has the necessary permissions to access your data resources. Select the type of job you want to run, either a batch job or a pipeline job. In the Input Data Configurations section, specify you can use Amazon S3 or other supported data sources for this step. For each input, select the source location and specify the content type, like CSV or JSON. Next, move to the Output Data Configurations section. Designate an S3 bucket location for your processed output data. Specify the content type for the output, ensuring it matches your needs. In the Processing Container section, choose a pre-built container or define a custom one. If using a custom container, provide the ECR path and any additional configuration settings. Now, you need to specify the resource configuration for your processing job. Select the instance type and count based on your data processing requirements. Adjust the runtime settings, such as the maximum runtime for the job, if necessary. In the Environment Variables section, add any key value pairs needed for your processing script. Next, configure the job's network settings, choosing the appropriate VPC and subnet if required. Review all the configurations carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything checks out, click on the Create Processing Job button to launch your job. Monitor the job's progress in the SageMaker console under Processing Jobs. Upon successful completion, navigate to the output. Review the cleaned data to validate the processing results. That concludes the installation and setup of SageMaker Processing jobs for data cleaning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.